Hi, Doug from Lomanco here. Today I want to talk about proper attic ventilation and what happens when you have a lack of intake. In a balanced system, you need both intake and exhaust for the system to work properly. In fact, the number one reason for weather infiltration in most attic systems is due to a lack of intake. To demonstrate this today, I'm going to use the Lomanco smokehouse, which is right here. And this is a product that allows us to show what happens to the airflow in your attic space. I have my attic in the middle. I have my intake, which would be like your soffit system on both this side and the far side. And for exhaust, I have a 12-inch Lomanco Whirlybird. The reason I like using Whirlybirds is Whirlybirds actually pump air through them, and the faster they spin, the more air that they pump through. So I'm going to go ahead and put some smoke in the smokehouse and watch what happens when I give the Whirlybird a big spin. You can see in just a matter of a few seconds, all that smoke that was inside the attic space has been pumped out through the exhaust. Fresh new air has come in through the intake. That's the way you want your ventilation system to work. What happens if I close off my intake? I'll close off intake on both sides. And I will throw some more smoke into the smokehouse. And now watch what happens when I give the Whirlybird a big spin. Again, you can hardly see any smoke coming out this time because there is no intake. As soon as I open up the intake on both sides, again, you can see all that smoke come out through the Whirlybird and the inside attic is starting to clear out. That's the way you want your ventilation system to work properly. If you have too much heat in your attic, or if you have moisture in your attic due to maybe some frost in the wintertime, or maybe you saw some mold in the summertime, it could be due to a lack of proper ventilation or a lack of intake. Thanks for watching. Doug from Lomanco.